Hi and welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to Lafayette French Bakery Factory. We usually come here to buy my favorite chocolate almond croissants for takeaway, as I usually want it for breakfast at home when I'm having my coffee. It is located here in Kamala Phuket, Thailand. They definitely have a very cute, fancy Christmas decoration. This cafe is actually divided into two sections. The first section is here, wherein you can see all the breads and cakes, and this is also where you can order your food. And the other section is called the business lounge. This is the business lounge area where we prefer to sit, as it is more cozy and soft, comfortable chairs.
Here's Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
So you're having Americano?
Having an Americano with hot milk.
And I'm having caramel macchiato with chocolate cakes.
No, that's not your chocolate cake. That's Patrick's chocolate cake.
That's our chocolate cake right there.
Patrick, come back. He's hiding under the table. Mr. Patrick.
Wanna try some of this chocolate? Let's try. Have a taste, kid. You're gonna like it. Probably. How is it? Is it good? Is it delicious?
Mmm. That's a good sign. It means he likes it.
Let's see. I'll try it.
How is it?
Delicious. You enjoying your cake, kid? Your chocolatey mount.
2 spoons? I've never seen anyone eat cake with 2 spoons before.
Aren't you a lucky kid? My goodness. What are you doing with my cake?
Did your mommy teach you to eat like that? What happened to the cake? It's half gone already.
It's really good. You should try it. Have a bite.
Double-fisted spoons.
What are you doing? What's your plan with that? You want to be a chess master? Yay! Terrible too.
Yep. Oh yeah, the terrible ones also. Went from terrible ones to terrible twos.
Look what you just did. After you put all that in there, what you gonna do? What's the next plan?
One by one, huh? Back and forth. That's a lot of running.
Trying to read a book. Oh, you're putting it back. That's a good boy. Where are we going now?
Yes.
Yes, that's yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We.
Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? You wanna go to the tree? Wanna go to the tree? Yeah? Wanna go to look at that tree? Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on. Kiss your mommy first. One more. One more.
Come on. Phone? Where's Patrick? Phone. Hold the phone. Which is Patrick? Did I speak to Patrick? No, no one speaks to Patrick. Okay, hold on a second. Oh, say hello.
Bye.